Welcome to our video on diabetic-friendly fruits that can help you manage diabetes effectively. If you have diabetes, incorporating the right fruits into your diet can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. First on our list is berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. These fruits are low in sugar and high in fiber, making them a great choice for diabetics looking to control their blood sugar levels. Next up, we have apples. Not only are they delicious and versatile, but apples also have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are also excellent options for diabetics. Packed with vitamin C and fiber, these fruits can help regulate blood sugar and improve overall health. Moving on to avocados, these creamy fruits are rich in healthy fats and fiber, making them a great choice for diabetics looking to manage their blood sugar levels and improve heart health. Lastly, we have bananas. Despite their sweetness, bananas are low to medium on the glycemic index scale, making them a suitable fruit choice for diabetics when consumed in moderation. By incorporating these incredible diabetic-friendly fruits into your diet, you can take a step towards better managing your diabetes and improving your overall health. So start including these fruits in your meals and enjoy the benefits they have to offer.